Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice move today on this one, and the overall context before I start deleting stuff out is that the trend line here has finally been broken. Price got the break of it, came down, and then continued on up. So that's the current context of things, is this resistance trend line, which I suppose probably more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But nonetheless, it's broken above it. So there is a technical pattern in trendline breakout here. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those because that served its purpose. But now the question becomes, okay, yeah, that trendline has been broken, but is this a true breakout? Is there any sort of genuine power behind this breakout? Or is this just one of these fake breakouts where the price acts like it wants to act strong and then all of a sudden just totally collapses? And I have no idea if this is a true breakout or not, but a very helpful level in answering that is now going to be this 129.50 mark. And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down to 129.50, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined at that green line there. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about that purple line there now moving forward, which on my chart, you know, it's a very well-known, the very famous 50 period moving average. You can see it's already rejected the price a couple of times in its past. Current value of that is, we'll just call it at the 131.65 mark. So watch that very closely. But all in all, like I said, got the trend line break. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.